Hello my friends, Dave Schramm here of ShrammGuitars.com, and today we're going to make some hide glue. Now the hide glue I'm going to be using is this 315 gram strength. This product that I'm using is from the Brooklyn Tool and Craft Company, their hide glue. You can get this off of Amazon.com. So we're going to try this. I'm going to actually use it on this maple back that I'm gluing together. It's all ready to go, but I got to make some hot hide glue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in this little bottle here. So I'm going to put just maybe about half to a quarter of an inch. Let's see. Well, that's enough. So I've got my hide glue in there. Now I'm going to take some cold tap water and just a little bit over the glue line there. The glue. There we go. So now what we're going to do, we're going to wait about 15 minutes for this to gel up, and then we're going to make some hot hide glue. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 1/2-inch chip brush, just kind of like stir this all up. I think I can add just a little bit more. There we go. There we go. We're just going to wait 15 minutes for that to gel up, and then we're going to put it in the warmer and make some hot hide glue. So now that the hide glue has absorbed the water, I've now put it in my baby bottle warmer, and I check it with a thermometer. And what I'm doing is I'm going for around 142 Fahrenheit. There we go. So now you can see the consistency of it, kind of like syrup. There you go. If you heard those sirens, that's because I live near the fire station. There we go. All right, now it's all ready to join this top, and we'll see that next. It's now time to glue up this flame maple back. Hot hide glue is now at around 142.5 degrees Fahrenheit. And I do want to give a shout out to Marshall Brunet. He had great tips on hot hide glue, and I'm just getting back into it. So thanks, Marshall, great tips. And I'm also using the Philips Avent baby bottle warmer. So here we go. I'm going to take my chip brush, and we are now going to glue the seam here. There we go. Now we only have a few minutes of working time here. Go. everything lined up here. This grips right away, so there we go. That's good. I'm going to use this clamp to make sure I've got these lined up right where I want them. I used this old LMI jig that I got over 20 years ago. LMI is no longer around, unfortunately. It doesn't take long for this hide glue to start setting up. Take the wedges, close up this joint. There we go. This one. And one more over here. There we go. Back's all glued up using hot hide glue. Here's the back that I just glued up. And we're just gonna wait for this to glue or to dry, and I'll be all set. So now my hot hide glue, I can now put this in the refrigerator and use that for another day. Here's the baby bottle warmer that I use. Here's the setting I have marked for 142.5 degrees. I'm gonna turn that off because I'm not using it right now. And there's like a water bath inside there, so it warms up the water. There's the hot hide glue. And it's gonna gel for a little bit, and then I'm just gonna clean that up. By the way, this is the candy thermometer that I use. I don't think I paid more than like 10 or 15 bucks for this. It's a digital one. It turns on when you open this up, and then here's the probe that you put in the bath to check your temperature, and then the readout's right there. So this is a real nice one. I'll put a link for it in the description below if you want to get that. Okay, for the Philips Avent baby bottle warmer, I just got that off eBay. You can get one off of Amazon. You don't need one that has all the bottles and everything. You just need the warmer. And then for the brushes, let's see, the glue brush that I used. Let me grab it. This is, let's see, can we get that in focus? Yeah, this one this is like a 1/2-inch chip brush. I buy the 24 pack. These I got off Amazon. Oops, it's got paper towel on it. I need to clean it. Great thing about hide glue, just put it in some water and you're good. It'll clean right up. I get those the chip brushes, 1/2-inch chip brush off Amazon. Hey, thanks for watching this video on how I use the hot hide glue for gluing up a back. If there's a video on a topic that you'd like to see, put it in the comments below, or if you have any questions, and I can do a Q&A video, and I'm sure you'll all enjoy that. All right, thanks for watching. Everybody have fun building and playing those guitars. I'll see you next time. Bye.